In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly navigate and shop on the online platform Temu with ease and confidence. Online shopping can sometimes feel overwhelming with so many options and steps involved, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's head over to Temu's website. Open your preferred web browser and type Temu into the search bar. Hit enter and you'll see the official Temu website link right at the top. Click on that link and you'll be directed to the home page where all the magic begins. Now that you're on the platform, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll notice a variety of categories and a wide range of products just waiting for you to explore. Once you're comfortable with the layout, it's time to start browsing. Begin by exploring the categories that catch your interest, or simply use the search bar at the top if you already have a specific item in mind. As you navigate through the site, you can click on products to view more detailed information, including pictures, descriptions, and reviews. Reviews can be especially handy. They're like little insights from fellow shoppers that can help you decide if a product is right for you. After you've done your browsing and selected the product you desire, it's time to move forward and add it to your cart. Simply click on the Add to Cart button, which you'll typically find next to the product details. Once that's done, click on the cart icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the page. Now you're in the checkout area, which is the final phase of your shopping journey. Let's move on to the checkout process. Here you'll see a list of the items you've selected. Make sure everything is correct before proceeding. Now you'll need to choose your preferred payment method. A convenient option available on Temu is cash on delivery. This means you'll pay for your purchase when it arrives at your doorstep, adding an extra layer of security for those who might be hesitant about online payments. To select this, simply click on the Cash on Delivery option beneath the payment methods. This choice ensures you can inspect your product before actually handing over your payment. And there you have it. You're all set. You've navigated the site, selected your product, and chosen a convenient payment method. Now all you have to do is sit back and relax while your order makes its way to you. I hope this guide has been helpful as you venture into your online shopping experience on Temu. With these simple steps, you'll be a pro in no time. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.